Hi everybody, how are you all? Today I thought I will make something for vegetarians. I plan to make a cake with fruits and vegetables. Cake is very tasty, all of you will like it and you love it also. We will start to make our cake with fruits and vegetables. This is all-purpose flour, maida. It's sieved very nicely. Then half cup milk, half cup oil, then 1 cup crushed dates, 1 cup carrot grated, half cup sugar, then dry fruits, kismis and cashews, baking powder and baking soda. So let us start to make our cake with all these ingredients. So in the bowl, first you put the sugar. It is granulated sugar, not sugar powder. Now add the milk and dissolve all the sugar very nicely in the milk. Till then you whip it. You can use a whipper also, hand whipper also. After dissolve nicely, then pour the maida, all-purpose flour, little by little into the sugar syrup. Always you beat nicely after you put each time. I took 2 cups maida, 250 ml cup, a normal tea cup only, not small also, not big also. Take 1 teaspoon of maida from the maida mix and apply it in the dry fruit. I took kismis, black and brown also, then cashew. Break the cashew in 2 pieces. Then you apply it and keep it in a side. Now you finish the maida and beat nicely. It takes some time. Then apply the oil. Pour the oil, not full, little by little only. Then you mix it very nicely and slowly with patience. We are not using butter. We are using oil only, not coconut oil. Don't use coconut oil. Vegetable oil only. Then put our this one crushed dates. After removing, I crushed it in the mixie. Or you can cut it in small pieces with knife also. Then it takes some time to mix very nicely. After mixing, then you put our grated carrot. After I removed the skin, I grated it with a grater and 1 full cup grated carrot, and you put it there. Then mix nicely. You can use your hand also. Then 1 teaspoon our essence, vanilla essence. Then take the dry fruit from the maida mix and put it. And again you mix very nicely. Because it goes inside the whipper, so I am using my hand also. Then you apply oil in the cake mold. Whichever mold you are taking, apply butter or ghee, not oil. Then apply nicely on the side also. Then if butter paper is there, you cut it in the shape of our mold. And again you apply some ghee or butter on the top of the butter paper also. If you use butter paper, it will not stick. Otherwise you can use maida. Instead of butter paper, you can apply little maida on the mold and then remove it by tapping. That avoid sticking the cake in the bottom. Then I preheated the oven 180 degree for 10 minutes, convection mode. After that only I am keeping this cake mix in the convection mode at 180 degree for 50 minutes. See, always you take a mold bigger than our this mix. You fill only half portion always. After cooking, it will come up. See, our cake is ready. Now it is cool also. So we will cut our cake and taste it and how it is. Very tasty cake, super. And see you next time with another tasty dish. Bye then. See you. Bye.